Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring Node.js LTS is installed. Run Node v and npm v to confirm. Once done, open Visual Studio Code and install the Node.js extension pack so you get IntelliSense and debugging support. Create or open your project folder, then run npm init to generate package. JSON, this sets metadata and scripts. Make sure to save settings and create an index.js or app.js file. These first steps wire your editor and runtime together, so you can run code immediately. Now you write the entry script and organize modules, require or import dependencies and export functions where appropriate so code stays testable. Next, configure a launch. JSON in the vscode folder to set breakpoints, runtime executable, and env variables. This enables step-through debugging. Use the integrated terminal to install packages with npm install, then define scripts in package. JSON and run npm run start or node index.js. As you iterate, set breakpoints and use the debug console to inspect variables. To finalize, add ESLint and prettier, configure rules, and run lint and format scripts so code quality is consistent. Once ready, add a production build or start script, and test with Node Inspect or through your CI pipeline to ensure behavior matches development. Make sure to commit package lock, JSON, and workspace settings you want shared. If things go wrong, check path and node version first, then disable conflicting extensions. Often the issue is an environment mismatch or a launch JSON misconfiguration, fixing that usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.